Hello, it's Jake, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to tie the Flaming Zug Bug nymph. It's a Zug Bug variation that I invented myself, and what I've done to start off is just pre-wrapped the hook shank with some lead, and now what I'm doing is tying on a tail of red peacock herls. And when you're tying on the tail, don't be worried about the length, since with the peacock herls you can just clip them at the end. It doesn't make a difference, especially on the Zug Bug, since the tail isn't supposed to even have much taper to it. So don't worry about the length of the tail, since we're going to clip that in the end. It can be as long as you want for now. Let me take one more wrap around there. Okay, once you have the tail secured, you're going to clip all but 2 of your red peacock herls. Once again, you're going to clip 3. Oh, I don't think I mentioned that you tie in 5 peacock herls for the tail. But you clip 3 of those, and then you secure the remaining 2 back to the edge of the tail, if it's not already there. Okay. Now, we're going to tie in 5 green peacock herls. So secure the butt ends to the hook shank, and then wrap your green peacock herls back to the tail along with the red ones. Now advance the thread to the front of the hook, or the front of where your body is going to be, and wrap a nice neat body with the green herls all the way to the thread. And once you get to the end of where your body is going to be, secure it with a few tight wraps, and clip the butts of the green peacock herl. Okay. Now with your 2 red peacock herls, you're going to counter rib all the way up to the end of the body. Secure that with a few tight wraps, and clip the excess. Okay, now what we are going to do with a mallard feather is create the wing case. So you're going to take the whole feather like this, tie down the stem, and the stem actually creates a nice tapered head for you, so that's one benefit. And it takes a lot of nice tight wraps to fully secure the feather. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to want to clip straight across to create your wing case. It should be nice and short. You can do it longer at first, and then clip it down to the exact size you want it to be. Okay. Now to tie in the legs, I'm going to invert the fly. Like that. And then, using your rooster neck feather, clip a few fibers. And by the way, if you didn't already figure it out, all of the materials for this fly are in the description. Okay, so tie down those fibers as your legs. And then for some reason my butt end's kind of strayed to the top, but doesn't matter. Clip that off. And now all that's left is a simple whip finish. Sorry, I have to tighten my vise. For some reason it kind of loosened up on me. We'll whip finish and then clip the tail, of course. Whoops, I messed up there. Let me try that again. Okay, now clipping the tail, you want to do it, your nice red tail, short, about right there. And that is the Flaming Zug Bug. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I hope you like this pattern.